Meaning of egomania.
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 Egomania. Egomania is a psychoanalytic term used to refer to an excessive preoccupation with oneself, often accompanied by delusions of grandeur, a belief in one's own superiority, and a lack of concern for others. People with egomania may have an inflated sense of their own importance and may believe that they are entitled to special treatment or privileges. This can lead to behavior that is selfish, manipulative, and exploitative. Ultimately, egomania can result in social isolation, damaged relationships, and a failure to fulfill one's potential due to a preoccupation with oneself rather than the world around them.